Welcome to this video. A lot of you have been asking what I think about Kling AI, so let's get straight to the point. The link is right below in the description, with an exclusive discount and a free trial that includes 166 credits. Kling AI is simply one of the best video generation tools I've tested. With version 2.1 released in June 2025, animations are even smoother, transitions are cleaner, movements feel more natural, and most importantly, the tool now includes a built-in audio generator that automatically syncs sound effects like rain, footsteps, or ambient background noise. For just $79 a month with the annual plan, you get 2,000 monthly credits, more than enough to create multiple high-quality videos every week. And right now, you can try Kling for free with 166 credits, no strings attached. What I really love about Kling is its creative power. You can start from an image or even a simple piece of text, and the engine turns it into a dynamic video with believable facial expressions, cinematic rendering, and incredibly accurate motion. Honestly, if you're looking for a professional tool to create visually striking videos, this is a solution I 100% recommend. I've been using it for over a year now, and I wouldn't want to work without it. And if it's not for you, just request a refund. No risk at all. In my opinion, Kling AI clearly outperforms tools like Runway or Luma AI in terms of final rendering, stability, and cost. It's truly the most complete tool out there right now for generating high-quality AI videos. All the info is in the description. Go check it out, try Kling AI for yourself, and you'll quickly understand why it's getting so much attention. See you soon.